Hi everyone, welcome to the Game Level channel. Sometimes it happens to you that while working with the computer, the screen goes black for a few seconds and this message is displayed to you. I want to teach you that with a few simple settings you can solve this problem. First, right-click on the desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on Manage 3D Settings. Set the power management mode to prefer maximum performance. Click on Apply. Well, we close the window. For the next settings, we must enter the control panel. For this purpose, right-click on this PC icon and select the Properties option. Click on Control Panel Home. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Power Options. In this case, if you are using a laptop computer, you must click on Create a Power Plan. Check the High Performance option. Note that selecting this option will increase your laptop battery consumption. Click on Next. In this section, you can make settings related to turning off the screen and also going to sleep in different modes. For sleep settings, I select 2 hours in battery mode and 3 hours in plugged in. Finally, click on Create. As you can see, new settings have been created. Well, now we make these settings while using the desktop computer. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Power Options. Click on Show Additional Plan and select the High Performance option. In the next step, click on the Control Panel Home. Click on System and Security. Click on System. Click on Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings. Note that this part of the settings has the greatest impact on solving our problem. The Adjust for Best Performance option is the best choice to solve our problem, but in this case, the display quality of icons, text fonts and windows decreases. I suggest you enable these options. Fade or slide menus into view. Show thumbnails instead of icons. Show window contents while dragging and smooth edges of screen fonts. Finally, click on Apply. Click OK. Click OK. I hope this setting solves the problem of blackening your screen for a few seconds. If you wish, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click on the bell, you will receive a notification as soon as a new video of me is released. Thanks for watching this video.